watch the empty glass, watch the coin. 3, 2, 1. Just like that, the coin penetrates straight through the base of the solid glass. Two borrowed objects, a coin and a solid glass. Now watch. The only way to get the coin in the glass is through the mouth. The other way is to use a piece of magic. Watch, just like this. Watch the empty glass, watch the coin. 3, 2, 1. Just like that, the coin penetrates straight through the base of the solid glass. Stick around if you want to learn how to do this at home right now. What's up guys, my name is Lloyd. Welcome back to another Tutorial Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to teach you one of the very first tricks I ever published way back when, over 10 years ago for the first time. It's called Glimmer. It's an ultra visual coining glass, but unlike most coining glasses where the coin blinks and goes through the glass, I really hyper focused on the nuanced detail of the moment the coin pops from one side of the glass visually into the other. Now, the number one detail that most people miss when they learn this effect from me is that they forget to use the shotgun action. So watch the tutorial, but really hone in on and take your time to study and learn the specific part about the shotgun action when it comes to learning Glimmer. If you get that down, you will make people's eyes pop out of their skull. So go and grab yourself a coin, go and grab yourself a glass, go and grab yourself another coin, and let's get ready to learn Glimmer. Oh, and by the way, if you would like to win one of the final ever first edition copies of my lecture notes called Meridian, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and comment anything you like down below. A winner will be chosen by next week, and these will be shipped to you for free anywhere you are in the world. And look how pretty they are. So here's how the trick works. I begin by having a coin, a duplicate coin, secretly palmed in my fingers like this. Now I can borrow the same coin as the one I have palmed. Of course, it's hidden here. And I can borrow a glass. It's important that it's a clear glass so that they can see through the base like this. So I say, and I want to condition them to think my hands are empty. I display the coin, remembering to keep that hidden coin finger palmed. And now I can show that the coin can only enter the glass through the mouth. Okay, and this is my reasoning for switching out the coin in a moment. So what's going to happen now is that I'm going to apparently take the coin out of the glass. But what's really going to happen is this. As I come up to the glass, I'm going to touch the coin with my thumb. And I'm going to slide it over the rim and use my thumb to guide it all the way down to the bottom. But from the front, it looks like this. Okay, but secretly I'm just guiding this coin down. And because it's silent when it slides, it doesn't sound like anything. At the same time, I'm allowing the coin on the inside to lay flat. And you'll notice my fingers are covering that coin from the front. Okay, so in one motion, I drop the coin in, I show this, and now I switch and pull out the duplicate coin, and the coin that's secretly hidden inside is hidden behind my fingers. Now I angle the glass forward just enough so they can see the base, but not enough so that I flash the coin. So it's kind of like at a 45-degree angle, okay? Now I'm going to make it look like the coin visually melts through the glass, right? But what's going to happen is a few things. First of all, I'm going to use my thumb to gently rock the glass back and forth, and if you're careful, there'll be no sound. If you go hard, there will be. But because it's laying flat and you're only tilting it back and forth as opposed to side to side, there's no sound. Next, what's going to happen is I need to make this coin vanish. The way I do that is very simple, and I also have this to cover most of the work. But all I'm going to do is simply use my middle finger. So I pinch the coin with my index and thumb. My middle finger comes forward, touches the coin, and then rotates it under my thumb like this, so just like that. Okay, so I'm here and it just hides. After I've done that, it'll fall into finger palm, but this is hidden behind the glass. So I'm here, shake, I can show that. This coin's going to need to vanish, and as it's from here now, I can move my thumb and drop it into finger palm. But there's one important detail that everybody gets wrong with this. I'm just going to dive in really quickly to let you guys know that if you enjoyed the magic tricks that I teach on my YouTube channel, please know that this is not my best work. This is my B-side material. However, if you want to learn my best kept secrets, the stuff which I consider my A-class material, the material that I use all over the world to fool some of the best minds in magic and lay people alike, then head over to patreon.com/LloydB. There are over 20 already exclusive tutorials that will never be taught on my YouTube channel of my best and most killer material. Also, I have my full Blackpool lecture dry run on there, as well as if you join up now, you'll get a free set of my Rebel PDF lecture notes that you can download and start learning today, as well as access to my private Society of Secrets Discord server. So if you enjoy the stuff here, but you want to see the best stuff, then head over to patreon.com. There's more material added every single month, and it's only the best, most killer magic tricks that I know. But there's one important detail that everybody gets wrong with this, and that is that retention of vision to make it really look like the coin pops from here to the other side of the glass. And I call that the shotgun motion, because I'm going to make the coin that's in the glass shoot back and go straight up. So by pulling the glass back, the coin inside will go whoop and swing back and it'll replace the image of this through the glass. Just like that. So the way that works, I literally, like a shotgun, kick back. So I come here and I kick back, and I time that so that I do it as the coin vanishes. So from this angle, I time it. Boom. Okay? But you get this amazing retention of vision where this coin replaces the image of this coin. 1, 2, 3. Now to repeat it, I do exactly the same thing again. I don't let the coin fall out. I replace it with my thumb. I show the coin, drop the coin, and now I do it one more time, and this time I can just drop it on the table or literally hand them the glass and they can examine everything. And as they do that, I can just drop my hand out of sight, I can casually place it in my pocket, or I can just keep it finger palm because they're looking at this coin in the glass, they're not looking for another coin. So all the way from the very top, I drop the coin inside, I switch it out, I shotgun, and I can hand everything out, all the while hiding this coin. That's it, folks. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Remember, if you'd like to win the Meridian lecture notes, then all you need to do is hit that subscribe button and comment something down below, and a winner will be chosen by next week, and these will be shipped to you for free anywhere you are in the world. Please take time to practice Glimmer. Remember that shotgun action. Remember not to flash, and remember to practice using a video camera and a mirror at different times so you get the best of both experiences when practicing some angle-sensitive magic like this. I've been Lloyd, and until next time, folks, I will see you all very, very soon. Peace.